Here is the top interface of the Fuji X100VI. Starting on the left, you have the Fuji X100VI logo. In the middle, you have the hot shoe. This is great for putting a thumb grip. The next dial is your shutter speed. Within that same dial, you can adjust your ISO by lifting up, twisting, and pushing back down. Right here, you have the shutter button and the off and on switch. This dial right here is your exposure compensation dial. And this button here is a custom function dial. Moving toward the lens, you have your aperture ring and you have your control ring.